On April 14, 2024, at approximately 12:28 a.m., Georgia State Patrol Trooper A. Mathews spotted an orange Dodge Charger Scat Pack, the same vehicle that had already fled from troopers just minutes earlier. Knowing how recklessly the suspect had driven before, officers made a critical decision. Instead of allowing another prolonged pursuit, they prepared to execute an immediate pit maneuver the instant emergency lights were activated. But the driver wasn't about to surrender without a fight.
Column 6230, SFT 6230.
Westbound at Hill Street, orange sedan, 22 Georgia. Tom Frank David, 7037, GFG 7037.
10427. 1080 Atlanta, 1080. 104, 1080. 016. Atlanta. Sorry, Elder is going to be in front of me. We're going to be 20 westbound coming up to the connector. Come here, 20 westbound coming up to the connector. Taking Windsor, taking Windsor. Clear, taking Windsor. No, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. Straight ahead.
The first PI maneuver almost works. The Charger rotates, but the driver somehow regains control and immediately accelerates away. A second PI attempt also fails, leaving the damaged muscle car fishtailing violently across the interstate. At these speeds, losing traction even once can end the pursuit in disaster. Would you keep chasing or back off here?
Okay.
20 westbound, just got back home from Windsor. 20 westbound, just got back up from Windsor. Taking Lowry. Peter, taking Lowry. You're on Lowry, what's the call street? And I think we lost visual. We're going to be 20 at, or Lowry, give me 1 second for a call.
I didn't see anybody speak through it, so. Yeah, I got off at the 1-4 Lowry. I'm saying I'm right behind you. I was at that intersection blue lights where y'all came out and I didn't see anybody. Police Street was the one that you were at, 895,
As troopers prepare for another tactical pit, the suspect suddenly floors the throttle in an attempt to escape. Instead, the Charger loses control and spins directly into the patrol car's path. The impact sends the vehicle rotating multiple times before crashing into the concrete barrier. Sometimes, reckless driving defeats itself long before officers do.
I'ma shoot!
I got you.
Don't wait! Don't fucking wait! I'll shoot that bitch out! Hey! Quit! Stop!
Capitol Avenue, 6 call straight, first patrol car now.
Fuck it! Fuck it! Fuck it! Fuck it! I'll fucking shoot you! I'll fucking shoot you!
Alam ko 795, okay? Don't follow me. I'm trying to figure out how to get this place where we're at.
The danger isn't over just because the vehicle is stopped. Troopers watch the driver making repeated furtive movements inside the car, refusing commands and reaching where officers can't see. Unsure whether he's grabbing a weapon or preparing to run, they carefully escalate their tactics. One wrong move here could turn this arrest into a deadly encounter.
So in the U.S. Hero for us, please. Tell them we need the right lane. Crossing over the connector. Clear. I-20 East crossing over the connector. All troopers 10-4.
With additional troopers arriving, officers slowly close in from the passenger side and begin extracting the driver. Even on the ground, he refuses to immediately surrender his hands, forcing troopers to use control techniques before finally securing him in handcuffs. Would you have shown more patience or moved in even sooner?
Clear, y'all need to go at 39. Yes,
So, yeah, suspicion back 1039, violators in custody, 920 East at Campbell Avenue, 0033. What was that? 76, about 2 minutes away.
You got it. Eight nine Pilot Lane. You show me 10-8 with no action on that. 1038.
Huh. 920 Atlanta. I'm 1095, 1 male, 1055, implied consent, ready to refuse, has 0032 hours, 0032 hours. Okay. One call 512190. Call 512190. Make sure it's on that same vehicle. Careful.
What began as another fleeing suspect ended with disciplined tactics, coordinated communication, and a dangerous driver safely taken into custody. Investigators later recovered a stolen Glock handgun from the center console and a rifle with an extended magazine in the trunk, reinforcing just how serious this encounter truly was. If you enjoyed this real pursuit breakdown, like the video, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more police chase analysis from around the world.